a little on edge this morning because it's the first time we've had to wake up early. Everyone's been waking up way late this trip, which has been really nice. But today we had to be up at 6 a.m. so we can go see the pandas. You excited? Winnie just can't even contain her excitement. Winnie, don't smile. Don't you dare smile.
这是我们一家。你好，旁听到。我叫美丽。我叫茉莉。This is my family, and we are living Asian.
What'd you guys get? Oh, you guys are ready to see some pandas.
I'm not doing that, see.
Oh, really? You've seen a panda do that? It's an impressive panda. Chance, how do you feel? You're free.
Free from
yeah. So Winnie is obviously big enough to walk, but I think in crowds she gets a little nervous, so she's been having Chance carry her a lot while we've been in big crowds, so Chance is getting tired.
Getting old.
And she's getting big. So we got a little stroller, hopefully that'll help. What have you learned about pandas so far?
They have two sets of teeth just like us, and they drink milk.
When they're babies.
Just like us.
And how old are they when they leave their mommy?
2.
Yep. And how old are they when they go look for a mate?
4 to 6.
Wow. So,
I'm almost 8.
yep. Time for you to go look for a mate.
A husband?
Mm-hmm.
I've already got one.
Oh, gosh.
Okay.
I already did that when I was 4.
Oh, yeah? Who is it?
Max.
Oh, gosh.
Looks
so
so
cute.
Looks so chubby.
Looks like a chipmunk.
I don't want to lay down in her food.
Mm-hmm. Like laying on the table. What if we let you eat like that? Just lay on the table and just...
If you come to Chengdu, you have to see the pandas. But come in the morning, because it's the best time.
Why?
Because they're getting fed and you can see those guys eating.
Little cuties. Show 'em all.
Not bad. What are they gonna do?
He's like, go, man.
Like, alright, you stay here. I'm just gonna sniff your butt.
No way. Is he gonna get around now?
On top.
Cute.
Oh no.
So cute. He's like, he lost it, huh? He said move it or lose it, and he lost it. My turn. Why do they love that so much?
Because they can sit on their butt and lean forward, take a load off.
So cute. He's like, I'll finish up, guys.
It's okay. Then you don't have to eat the leftovers.
Yeah, he's the one that won't waste, huh?
Yeah, he's dad. He kind of reminds me of Tony. He's the only one who
Where are you guys going? Take her for a ride, Winnie.
Ready?
Ow, my finger. Winnie, what are you eating? Bamboo? Oh my gosh, you little panda. Alright, because I always want to be open with everyone. We've had an awesome trip, but today has gotten the best of me. It's been fine. We had a good morning, and like overall when I sit back and think about it, it's been fine. But Winnie has had a little bit, a few hard moments that she really hasn't had all week, and so it was just hard that she presented those today. But everyone's so tired. We woke up at 6 a.m.
Can we get cotton candy now?
We'll go get some.
Mommy
But-
promised to let us watch Annie.
And I'm regretting that promise. But really, it's been an awesome trip, and I'm so glad we did it. And the kids have been, honestly, they've been so good. I'm just tired, and I don't handle stuff very well when I'm tired.
Great.
No comment. No. I think just traveling with kids is like requires setting expectations like way down here. And I think we probably did better at that at the beginning of the week. And then they were doing so well all week that by the end of the week everybody's tired, and so obviously things get harder. And so
We would do it
I don't
again.
have anything negative to say. Like, I think they have exceeded my expectations overall, and we're just lucky. Like this trip has been really cool. We've seen some amazing things, and I think that's my feeling here right now, is that we're just lucky. Like Sichuan is an amazing place, China's an amazing place, and we'll keep at it.
Yeah, I mean, now that I'm like sitting here calmly trying to think about it, I think it's more that I'm tired and I don't deal well with, my patience runs really thin when I'm tired. So, sorry guys. Can you guys be good? Can we finish it good?
And eat cotton candy and Annie.
I have a bad feeling about this cotton candy situation. No. Maybe just like this. Just like this. The top.
Sugar rush, here we come.
Maybe that's
He's good at that, huh? What do you tell him? What do you tell him? Get it. I haven't seen a camper like that in a long time.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You like pickles? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You like cheese pickles? No, I don't. Yes.
That sounds pretty good, actually. Okay, follow that. Okay, we're home. We made it back to Chengdu. Everyone's tired and happy, right? Everyone say, yeah!
Ooh, they got ya. I need to see this.
Okay, let Winnie have a turn. Emery, you're too big.
Emery, let go.
Winnie. Oh, how are you, Winnie? How are you? How are you doing?
How you doing?
Make sure to like and subscribe.